And we're recording. What's up? Gamma Dust Team. With me, Dustin. And a new person with me. But on the vlog Sunday. Or it is Sunday. Uploading this on a Wednesday.
Hi.
Yep, Sarah. Say hi again.
Hello.
Hello, hello. So yeah, we went out and bought a lot of stuff. You can see here. And we're gonna try. Well, hello. What do you want to? Well, this is an unboxing, of course. So, what do you want to try to unbox first?
We could get a Doki Doki crate.
Okay, we'll do the Doki Doki crate. Yeah. Oh, the camera. Okay, so we'll get all of this. Maybe a little closer.
Yeah.
A little closer. Yep. Okay, so I need something. I need a Sharpie sharp. I need a Sharpie sharp. Sharpie sharp. Sharpie sharp. Sharpie sharp. Sharpie sharp. Don't play with Sharpie sharps. Okay. So this is actually the FYE version. Hopefully one day to get back onto the subscription. But let's see what we got here. Alright. So we got all of this. Wait, hold on. Is this the... Oh, cool. It's the, and it comes with the little mags from Doki Doki 4. Huh. Cool. Okay, how does it feel in there? Let's see what we have here. Well, if people pause it, they'll probably know. So this right here, let's look at this. So we get a dog tote bag, which is probably this right here. What the heck? That's cute. That's cool. I'm glad I got the heaviest one here. I do not have this. Very fine material. Here, feel.
Oh yeah.
A nice material. Let's see what this says about this right here. The dog tote bags are popular accessories in Japan to carry in place of a purse. Okay. And, oh, we got some towels. I guess this is it. Hopefully these are... Wait, are these the towels? Oh, gosh. This might actually be good quality towel. Holy. Wait, no. No, this isn't the towels.
Gosh, that's adorable.
This right here.
Little twin stars.
This isn't even in it. I thought it was a towel because of this. But, this is the surprise item.
It's really cute.
Yes. I don't see it on here. This is a surprise item. Nice plastic. Holy crap. What does it say? Little
twin stars.
Oh wait, where did I see little twin stars somewhere? Oh yeah, it was on Pinterest or something.
Yeah.
So that's that. We got Ziploc bags. Actually, I needed some Ziploc bags. Like, who is this? Who is this of? Daruma Ziploc bags. Pack your snacks with these cute Dorama Ziploc bags. That's Dorama, apparently. Yes. Multi-use towel.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta see who gets what. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, this one was Warford. Find the heaviest buck you can find at FYE and buy it. Wait. Yep, smells like new plastic. Okay. That is cute.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, and then last is the Umi Manju. Umi means sea or ocean, and manju are a type of mochi, pound cake rice. Okay, let's see this. So this one, these little friends are from the sea and are small and squishy like rice cakes. That's under the name Umi Manju. Squish and stretch them to let them keep you company on your desk or shelf.
It's really cute.
It is. The thing is going to get dirty fast. If I'm not mistaken. Oh my god. Little squish.
Squishy squish.
You have a desk at your house. You can have this. Yeah.
Okay.
play with it a bit. Let's see. Squishy squish. It feels nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so that is the Doki Doki crate and nothing else right here. Except for whatever that says. I have no idea. And then this thing was cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, the bags were worth it. The bags were totally worth it.
Yes, you would.
Everything in this one was worth it. So we're gonna have to decide who gets what.
I get the bag.
Wait, which bag?
This one.
This one, the plastic one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. I'll get that then. Okay. Okay, so you go ahead and open something next.
Let's see.
Okay, you're gonna do the the Mishi box, Discover Korean Beauty. Let's leave the knife on the drawing table. This has some nope, just
You don't know how to open it.
okay, yeah, the tape is right there. You need thicker glasses?
Apparently. Okay, no,
There we go.
okay, there we go.
She kept cutting the top of it. So let's see what we have here. We have a thing, I guess, with all the items. I mean, kind of spoilers right here. But I can't read off, and I'll find it off, and you just grab whatever's in there. I see the top part has bees. Those are Pure Skin Essence Sheet Masks. Oh wait, honey, it says it right there. Honey Essence Mask Sheets. Does it have anything on the back? Are those in English? Well, there's English directions at least.
Yeah.
You like face masks?
I've never really tried them.
Oh, well, there you go. You get to try those.
Yay.
Okay, what else do we have?
We have hand cream.
Hand cream. Really, there's a snail on there.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, that's aloe vera cream, moisturizer stuff. I actually have aloe vera in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah. So let's see here. Contains aloe vera leaf extracted from Jeju Island of Korea. Aloe vera along with witch hazel, rose, and tea plant will soothe, cool, and relieve your skin. Ooh, you gotta try that.
Yeah.
You gotta see how we put it on. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Probably with everything on here.
Duh.
Okay, what else? What is that?
See. Kind of looks like.
Sleeping Clinic Apollo. Wait. Works its magic overnight to infuse damaged hair with, so you can wake up soft and smooth hair. So that's for your hair.
Okay, I definitely need that.
Yeah, I think we may all need that.
Okay.
So that looks like the soap. Wait, is that the soap or
Sleeping mask.
sleeping mask?
Yeah, it says right here.
Oh, sleeping mask. Where's the sleeping mask? Oh, I see the sleeping mask on here. Okay, never mind. The overnight mask that contains an azanol. Okay, cool. Now, then that's the soap right there, then.
Yeah.
That is the Raw Skin Cherry
Cherry blossom.
Bong soap.
Oh, yeah.
Bing
Cherry
bong.
bong.
Bing bong.
Bing bong, bing bong.
Yep. And that's it. With some blue paper. Huh. I wonder what's cute, actually. What do you say that was worth? Wait. Exclusive coupon, 10% off your next month's Mishi box subscription. Oh, cool. Use FYE exclusive coupon code FYE10 off. If you want the subscription box.
I might get it.
Okay. Cool, yeah, just here you go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's probably for everyone anyway. So okay. Oh, got a mess to clean up now. Okay. So I am gonna go ahead and open up well, there's not much to open up here. I found this, gone on the bargain hunt. I got two things from bargain hunt. This was one of them. I saw this on the shelf. So it's like,
What are you doing?
trying to open it with one hand. Trying to open it with one hand. Oh God. Now here's the thing. This was for the Animal Crossing one, and I'm probably one of the few people that likes that game. So I got another Animal Crossing figure. Yay! So, yeah, that's it with that one. That one goes over here on the shelf with the Switch. So, then we'll go with your banana.
For those of you who don't know, banana is an anime about cats who live in bananas.
Wait, so this is an actual anime?
Yeah,
Weird. I gotta check this out.
it's really, really cute.
Okay, let's open that up.
Let's see.
Probably put it back in the box, save the box, so it'd be easier to take care of. Bring it back to your house.
Yeah,
All this is filmed in my house.
there we go.
Oh. How delicate does it feel? Wait, okay, yeah, it's ceramic. Huh. So, also look on the box. Is this like, molded coffee mug with lid? I want to know if it's machine washable, if it's, safe from a machine wash. I don't know. We can find out later. Let's put that box over there. Put the cat on. Leave the cat there. We'll keep the cat on because everything else is thrown off to the side,
Yeah.
like that. Okay. Next up, these cards also from Bargain Hunt. It's just interesting. So yeah. Man, why can't I get this open with one hand? Ah, where's the knife? There we go. Piece of cardboard. And there's the hollow. Wait, who is this? Oh, okay, it's Liberty Prime. Oh, not bad quality cards. I don't know what's going on in there. So we got 3 different cards, series 1s. Ooh, I like it. We got the we got Boltman. I forgot what that's called. I should know. I've played Fallout. Power Armor. And then we got the the Nuka-Cola girl. Not Coca-Cola, it's Nuka-Cola. We'll save that one last. So, more cards to add to my already mess of cards I gotta organize. So, oh wow, so we can make an image out of some. So we got the synth laser. We got some cards. Okay, yeah, they make an image. What is that? Oh, that's just the 476 Pit Boy Slide 1. Huh. Okay. Grognock. Okay. Oh, wow, we got something for the Nuka-Cola girl. Wait, hold on. Is everyone getting this? I can't tell. Yeah, that's that. Let's now open up Bolt Boy. I have a tripod, everyone. I'm just too lazy to bring it out. This is like out of nowhere a bit. I mean, it was planned, but I didn't fully plan this unboxing. Actually, I wasn't going to plan on unboxing all of this stuff. Oh, a Wendigo. I hate these things.
They're creepy.
Oh, God. They're a pain in the ass. Roboco Fun.
The coif.
Coif. Coffee. Or Cough. Issue number 4. Oh, it's one of the collectible magazines. Okay. And honestly, I would like this game.
Never played it.
It's online only, but I mean, if you get it, we can play together. It's best to have a team with you, because it's kind of a pain in the butt. Neighborhood Patrol. Some of these are, I guess, for the new and old.
Yeah.
Oh, we got another piece here. Or do I have that one? I don't know. But not bad cards, actually. Actually, really cool. Actually, I really like these.
Yeah, they're pretty.
How much was the original price of this? Original price for this pack is $12. So I pretty much got, and this cost me $7.
Nice.
Yeah. And then look inside for new content for Fallout 76. Yep. Okay. That goes right there.
And last but not least,
Well, we got 2 more things.
2 more things.
Yeah. Well, we already can see what's in this, but
Oh yeah, squishy.
squishy. Okay.
You might need to use the knife. Nope.
Oh, here you go.
Okay, you go. The death metal red panda.
Oh, sorry. What?
The red panda who loves death metal.
This is actually really cool.
Yeah. Just slow rise squishy.
Oh well. Okay. That works. Okay, and then next, you know what? It's funny. I think we bought the same amount of items together. I thought it was like, oh wait, hold on, one's gonna open more than the other, but no, that's not the case.
Yeah, the exact same. Open the same. Nothing. Okay, you're on my desk.
It's Reptar, darn it! Look at this thing. Wow, this. A little bit of it's oozing out. Alright, I'm taking a bite.
Okay. How's it taste?
I don't think I got any icing.
Good.
Let me see your tongue. It's green a little bit. No, that's the point of Reptar. Tongue's supposed to be green. Where's the back of the box? What's causing my tongue?
Oh, a little green.
Yeah. What's up, boy? So, good? How was the talk? Is it a little stale? No, it doesn't expire until the 5th of September. So, that was this channel's, what is it?
Unboxing.
Yeah, random unboxing. And this was almost about 20 minutes long. Well, y'all have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye.